Comes.
Hey! Where are ya?
Hey, you'll never guess what I just made.
What?
Check it out.
I brought you eggs.
Oh, sweet. Thanks.
Yeah. Well, 2 of them are mine, and then 5 of them are yours. Because I'm gonna make eggs. Is that okay?
Yeah.
What were you gonna say?
Check out what I made. So I just put it in the fridge.
Oh.
I think you'll be impressed.
I'm excited. Oh, oh, ah.
Back. Yeah, now you put it all together.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we've been waiting for you for like 20 minutes. It's like, when's Calvin coming? When's he coming?
Taurus! You put it all here just so you could scare me? You did it! No, you did not!